Hi, good morning. And today I'm going to discuss about SCADA system and other in power system, advanced power system technologies. Like SCADA is a supervisory control and data acquisition system. It is controlling the power system, supervisory control, and data is acquired, data collected. Okay, and monitoring, remote monitoring and control the with some signals, coded signals. Okay, and load and generation should be balanced. That is should be done by SCADA system. And after that, next, what is SCADA means? For managing the interconnected grid by real time power flow, alarm, etc., and economical import and export of power. Okay, whatever some power plants are there, how much power has to generated from this power plant, and economically how much power has to generate, how much power has to export, import or export, and that is done by SCADA system. And also reliability of power, a quick response against the outage of major line or generator. Okay, and also energy management system for planning, forecasting with the help of historical data, previous data. It is planned the today's data, and also previous data it is forecasting the tomorrow's data. Like that is done by with SCADA system. This is a SCADA system, and this is having CLDC, central load dispatch center at Delhi. And these are some RLDCs are there, 5 RLDCs. One is Bangalore, and some southern load regional load dispatch center, northern regional load dispatch center. Okay, like that. Some 5 RLDCs are there, and these are the SLDCs. This is the SCADA connectivity system. Okay, and after that, next is a WMS, wide area measurement system, and it's advanced technology for collecting of information. And it is two functions. One is obtaining the data and extracting the value, whatever value we need, and getting accomplished with getting data and accomplished with the new generation data, and recording a hardware that produces high quality and high volume recordings. Okay, and it is um, data is extracted and analyzed by several signal analysis. The data is analyzed by some tools and algorithms. Okay, and after that, SCADA and WMS, so that are the differences are there. SCADA can provide only a steady and low sampling density, non-synchronous information of the network, and also it is control center cannot view the dynamic operation, only steady state operation, and instant actions cannot be taken from the SCADA. And also WMS enables the observe the power system synchronously, more elaborate time scale. Okay, time is very important. It is operate very fast and quick rate. That is done by WMS. And WMS requires data to be sent and captured very fast rate. That is the WMS. And that two components are there in WMS. One is PMU and another one is PDC. PMU means Phasor Measurement Unit. Another one is Phasor Data Concentrator. And what is PMU means? It's a that PMU in power system we are using for the with fax controllers. That is why this PMU came into picture means this WMS came into picture. False system power system faults, and we are facing it with so many faults. Okay, and also we need a monitoring should be wide area. Okay, and control proper control actions are needed. And also blackouts in 2012, northern blackout, northern India blackout, and 2003 some American blackout, that we need to avoid that. How means that by using these PMUs and WMS, we can avoid these. Okay, and uh, why SCADA? Why not SCADA? SCADA is analog signal, and also resolution is low and cannot deal with the transient responses, and it's dealing with only magnitudes. It's not dealing with the angles and local monitoring. It is only local monitoring. And PMU is very, it's a waveform measurement. It's measuring only waveforms and based on the waveform data it is forecasting the previous future data. And also synchronization, same time sampling signal from the GPS. It's at the same time it is giving some signal to the GPS. Okay, we can monitor from anywhere. Time synchronization allow synchronized real time measurements. Okay, that is the PMU. And what are the applications of PMU means? Power system real time monitoring and advanced network protection, advanced control schemes, and post disturbance analysis of power system, wide area measurement and control, power system automation. And by using these PMUs we can monitor the system with real time. Okay, and also we can provide an advanced network protection and as advanced control and network protections. Okay, and also we can analyze the post disturbance. Okay, and power system we can automate. And uh, comparison between SCADA and PMUs means SCADA is analog and PMU is digital, and the resolution is 2 to 4 samples per cycle and 60 samples per cycle for PMUs. And this is steady state, dynamic, and local wide area. And this is so phasor angle measurement is in PMU is there, and it's SCADA it's not there. And next PDC, it is actually it is a real time monitoring and giving alarm or event triggering any triggering signal. And PMU it is collecting a data from the PMU, and PDC will give the alarm signals or from the PMU. It's collecting data from the PMU and it is giving some any fault is there means it is giving some alarm signals or triggering signals. That is the PDC. Okay, and thank you. We can state estimation we can see in the next class.